go.
Boom.
Ta-da.
This is like an Incan like headpiece.
It's like a windshield wiper.
It's like on
That's a
orange
nice color on you.
Do you want me to move these out of the way?
That doesn't fit.
Oh, blades! Fun.
Why does this look like it should be a strainer? Or a really big teacup?
I've totally seen something like this. Listen,
All
listen.
right, let's see.
No.
That doesn't know.
Okay.
Just smushed it.
That's the only thing I thought could have possibly worked.
Oh, look, it does stick in there.
Wait. Amy. Ooh.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Slide it down in here like one of those, what do
Maybe
they
this
call
way.
that thing in medieval times when they chop off your head?
Oh,
Guillotine.
yeah.
Guillotine, whatever.
Corn
peeler.
Corn peeler.
Apple stemmer.
It's not working with the
it,
corn.
It just made corn juice. That's
Do not-
disgusting.
Here, but then, whoop, sorry. No, ooh. Now we're just making like marshmallow fluff.
This
I
is
don't
just
think-
really throwing me off. Like, what are the fangs for?
I'm just gonna say yeah.
Yeah. See?
No, because this is the cutty side.
Right. That's how I would say it too. The cutty side. This? What? Really?
Bull, speak to us. What are you for?
Yeah.
And then look, I made a giant mess.
So you could like rinse it, and then, oh, it holds it? No, it doesn't.
Like put the pickles in.
Put the pickles in where?
Well, because there's liquid, you could like strain.
Boiling pasta, hot
Yeah.
water,
Oh.
Exhibit A.
Okay.
You pour the hot water with the boiling pasta in here, then you dump the water out. It's like
Mash
peel
it up a little. Peel it.
Try that. That helps when you don't have a knife.
Here we go. Do you want to try this? Guns?
Oh my god, you're doing it.
Doing what? What's happening? What's going on that side? A what? Squash Eddie.
So,
Is
yeah,
it doing
a two-man job. Yeah, it's spiralizing it.
Okay, that is working right now.
Look how long this one is.
Zoodles! I just had this for dinner last night.
I mean, that's a mixing bowl that you can strain.
Squeeby?
Something on the
a
tray.
squeeby.
Scrape.
You just go straight with pickle bits.
Oh, wait, maybe it's a separator.
Look, so you like, whoop, whoop, and then
And then the chips
they
never...
won't get all soggy.
Oh, okay.